Another fake one. Hello.
Notice from card member services to get your interest rates reduced to as low as 0%
Got a
your
live one.
credit cards. You've been pre-approved as a valued customer and eligible for debt and interest rate reduction on your existing credit card.
Let's have fun.
To speak to a live representative, please press 1 now.
Yay! We got another one. They call in quick.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
It's my favorite company that scams people. I guess I'll do a Spanish one on this one.
Our services, how are you?
I am great. How are you doing?
All right, I believe you're responding to get a lower rate on your credit card. Is that correct?
Sure.
Which card do you have? Visa or the Master?
That would be my MasterCard.
And how much you think you owe on your credit card? What is the balance on your credit card?
About $1,300.
1,500?
1,300.
1,700?
1300. 1,300.
1,300?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Verify me the expiration date on the card, the month and the year. When the card is going to be expired?
8 of 22.
8 of 22?
Correct.
All right, and you can see the number. Verify me the number.
So tell me, what's my name?
Verify me your credit card, shitty and bitchy number.
Okay. Verify me my name, you scam artist.
Your name is a cocksucking shithole.
Really? That's what the last guy just told me. You got one new one for me?
Yeah.
Do you have a new one for me? Your other buddy already had that name.
You stupid bitch.
Why? That's not my name either. Try again. Come on, give me a good one. I don't want to call you any names, but I'm going to listen to you call me names all day. What'd you say? I don't speak Pakistani. Can you... I don't speak Pakistani. Can you please, Oh, that one was funny. All right. So, once again, they thought that would be funny to call me back right away. There we go. Let's try it. Bet your number won't work.
The number you dialed is not a working number. Please check the number and dial again.
All right. So, be careful with that one, everybody. They used bad names on that one. So, that was pretty good one. That one, they called in right after the other guy, which I was unexpected. I was surprised. And they used a lot of curse words. That one was even better than the first one. The first one, the guy tried, but he called back with his buddy, and the other guy was in the background. And he called me, I was like, oh, don't let your kids listen to that one. That one is, that one's kind of crazy. Anyway, like I said, go back and watch that. That one is even funnier than the last one. So, anyway, have a good one, everybody.